Hey guys, in this video, we're getting the engine and gearbox out of the KE20. Let's go. Okay, so as far as I know, this engine was running when it was put into storage. So I'm not expecting any issues with it. However, it's been sitting for 16 years, which is a long ass time. So what we need to do is we need to reseal it. The seals are probably gone hard at this point. It also probably had dirty fuel sitting in the carburetor and all these things to equate where we're not going to deal with it. So let's pull the engine out and give it a full refresh. And another thing while we're here is when I see this engine bay, I go, ugh. Brother, ugh. It is a cluttered mess. So I would really like to move some things around, make it less cluttered, more simple and better looking. It's never going to be a show car, but it can be 90% better than it currently is. So let's get this engine out and on the engine stand so we can start looking at what we should be doing with the engine. Now, the last thing I'm going to do before I pull all this apart is take a million photos. This is a bird's nest of wiring and hoses, and I need references later on when I'm putting this back together. It's super simple. I've worked on these before. Everything can be worked out, but it will save you so much time having photos to reference. So my recommendation is take a million photos, more than you need, because photos are free. There is something really nasty going on with the cooling system. Oh, it smells so bad. I don't know what that is.
So it looks like you're enjoying yourself. Oh, yeah.
Now, that was actually easier than I expected, and I did expect it to be easy. 40 minutes later, and I've got the engine ready to pull out. The only hang up was the exhaust. The exhaust was seized together. I ended up having to cut the section off to get the extractors out, so I will deal with that later. But let's pull up the engine crane and connect it up.
I don't know about you guys, but I basically do this every time. Coolant and oil all over the floor. Loving life.
Gearbox oil is all over my floor. As I was bringing it up over the cross member, it ripped the little glove, black rubber nitrile glove that I had over the back of the gearbox, and it poured all of its oil all over the floor. I ran down to the house and grabbed some kitty litter, but yeah, we'll see if that kitty litter can absorb some of that oil that's on the ground. It is what it is. It's car life. This is a car shed, so it's going to get oil. Them's the brakes. So I think I'll leave this video here on this depressing note. Please like and subscribe, as it does help out the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video where we don't spill oil.